There are only three levels of life. I'll tell you what they are. The three levels of life are as follows: one, momentum, and you are building; plateau, and you are stagnant; avalanche, and you are falling. Understanding this can help you gain better awareness of which one you are currently in right now. So ask yourself the question: do you feel excited when you wake up to take on the day and what is ahead? If your answer is yes, then you're probably in the momentum phase. That's great. Keep going. Double down on what is working right now and keep riding the wave of momentum. If the answer is no, then ask yourself the question: do you feel like you're stuck? Or does it feel like you literally can't get out of bed? If your answer is stuck, you're at the plateau level. The best thing you can do if you are stuck, the stuck feeling situation, is a full scan analysis of your life. Well, let's go through it. What is working? And write those down. Here's the things that are working. What isn't working? Write those down. Full scale analysis. Then go through the what isn't working and analyze where you can make swaps. Are there things you can add in, swap, that might spark momentum? So take out the things that aren't working and see where you can replace them with things that might be working. It's going to be a trial and error process. Now, if your answer was, I can't get out of bed, then you are in the avalanche phase. That's okay. We're all hit by avalanches at some point in our life. Now, when the avalanche occurs on a mountain, the protocol to survive is this: find solid ground by moving to the edge of the flow or digging into the stable base layer using your hands, ski edges, or poles. That's the protocol if you're on a mountain. What is one thing you can find solid ground in today? Just one thing. Your spouse, your dog, a great cup of coffee. Find that one thing that brings you joy and just hold on. The avalanche will pass. So gain confidence today in understanding that there are three levels of life and you know how to proceed in each. Momentum, keep building, keep stacking, double down. Plateau, where can you evenly swap out the bad for the good? An avalanche, one thing, just one thing to hold on to for solid ground. You'll make it through. You'll be at each one of these levels at some point through your life. More than likely, you'll be at each one of them more than once. So gain confidence knowing that they will all pass, the good and the bad, but enjoy the ride, even when it feels bleak.